Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're going to be talking about my EDC kit, or my everyday carry for hiking, so let's keep moving. Okay, so this is my ditty bag per se, so I have a lot of items in here, but this is my go-to. This is everything I take with me on every single backpacking trip, so if it has to do with a repair kit or anything I might necessarily need on trail, I keep it in this bag. This will also be in the center part of my bag, because I don't typically need to access this during the day, because everything I need from charging to all those other additional items will be used to traditionally at night. So this is my ditty bag. Let's go ahead and open it up and I'll show you what's inside. So this is my emergency kit. It is not a bunch of breath mints. It is actually everything that I need on trail, and I'll go ahead and show you what's in that. But I also want to show you what's on the other side, which is my power bank. This is the Anchor 10,000 milliamp. So I like this pretty much. Keep it inside of a plastic bag here. It has 2 charging ports. A little heavy. I've been carrying this for a number of years, but this has been my go-to and has never failed me. Okay, so in terms of what's in this can, this is everything that I take with me on trail from an emergency situation, repair kits, my medical kit, everything is inside of this tin can. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you what's inside. So the first thing you'll see is some microfiber cloth. This is to obviously clean your glasses or anything that you might want to wipe off, like your lens of your camera and so forth. I keep a microfiber cloth there. Next, you'll see my medicine kit, a couple ibuprofen, anti-diarrhea, melatonin, and Pepto-Bismol. I have 2 earplugs. If you've ever spent the night in a shelter or with a bunch of hikers, there'll traditionally be some snoring in the background, so I keep those with me there. In terms of my charging cord and capabilities, I have a micro USB charging cord here and a couple nibs. This is a flash for my iPhone, as well as a USB-C nib, and again both of these will attach here, so I don't have to have an additional cord, and I'm good to go. This will charge my GoPro and other items that have a USB-C. I have a bunch of duct tape that I've wrapped around the core of a Q-tip, a Bic lighter. I also have a multi-tool, as you see here. This is a Swiss Army knife with scissors, a blade, and a nail file, another toothpick, and some tweezers. Pretty much everything you'll need within this kit right here. Some toenail clippers, some super glue, a zip tie, another Q-tip with the actual cotton on the outside. I have a piece of Dyneema for repairs, piece of chamois with a needle for thread. The thread is in here, just a little bit further in. Some Velcro, a Band-Aid, some antibiotic ointment, toothpick. Can't even get to it. I also have a micro SD card and adapter, a button, a paper clip, clothespin, and then you'll also see some dental floss and some thread. So this is pretty much everything I take with me on every single backpacking trip, all condensed down in this little tin can here. Perfect size. Everything works for me. Now again, what you take on trail is up to you. Everyone hike your own hike, but these items is what goes with me on every single trip. So if you found any value in this video, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.